and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Everything Key, aka Kiana. Y'all, I just woke up, so if I look tired, it's because your girl is tired, but that's neither here or there. Hey y'all, hey, I'm coming to y'all with an unboxing. So this is for the CurlKit. This is for the month of February 2020. Now, I am not subscribed to this CurlKit. I just get a box here and there. So I just happened to get a box because they influenced me by their little email. And it was like, you can get a box for like 50% off. So the box is originally $25. $20 and $5 shipping, and it's a hair box, but I got it for $12.50. So because they had like a promotion or whatever. So I did go ahead and pick this up because I was like, $12.50 for some hair products. Your girl gots to get it. What is you saying? So I did pick it up. Let's go ahead and get into this. And again, for you who don't know, CurlKit it is a monthly hair subscription box. They put accessories in here. One time they put a polish in here, but mostly just hair products. It's never really like an entire line of products. They're usually just sporadic products from different brands, but let's just get into it. So when you open the box up, it does come like this. And it has the signature CurlKit on there, little sticker. It's a pink paper. So you go ahead and open this. And it gives you like a little Curl Life book in here. And these girls are fierce as well, just like my curl box. It says freedom to love, love harder and live smarter. It says hair culture and sophistication. And this is the box right here. Really cute woman on here. I love my Papa Red, baby. She coming with the red. So I really like that. Got a little piece of bra out. Come on, girl, come on. Yes, there's some very good, interesting information if you want to check it out when you do get it. If you do decide to get this box, you can go ahead and do that. But let's just get into the box. So when I open it up, this is how it's looking. All the products. Something always falls out. So we'll go ahead and do this first product that fell out. So this is the Naturist Protein Coconut Restore Texture and Volume Spray. I really like this. It looks like this. Let me see if this is the one that smells like peppermint. No, this one, this actually just smells like coconut. But they gave us this line when I was subscribed to them. They did give us this line before, and there was a spray that like gave you a shine that had a peppermint scent. It was so bomb. Like I used it all up. But I use this as well on my kids' hair. They have like curly hair or afros and things like that. This is really good for that, to just pick their hair out with. I don't necessarily use it, but this is a good product to have. And there's a nice amount of product in this little container. It is 2 fluid ounces, but that's not bad. The next thing I have is a Naturist Protein Triple Butter Coconut Restore Curl Moisture Cream. It looks like this. I also got this before in one of the CurlKits. It just smells like coconut. This is how it's looking. It's really thick. This is the consistency. It just feels like a coconut lotion, like the actual coconut lotion, like from Palmer's. That's what this feels like. So, I mean, I will do a review on it because I'm interested to know as well. The next thing we have in here is the Lotta Body with Coconut and Shea Oils. This is the Style Me Texturizing Setting Lotion, ready to use. Creates superb hold, adds brilliant shine, great body for all hair size, baby. It looks like this. Now, I've never used it. What? I've never used this before. But they did give it to me before, but I just put it in a giveaway. But I am gonna go ahead and try to use this because I do want to do like a, oh, it smells so fruity and so good. Lotta Body, this brand like line, oh, it smells so fruity and good. But I'm going to do like a roller set, so I'm going to try to use this. He's so extra, y'all. I'm going to try to use this product on my roller set and see how it turns out, because I saw a couple videos and it turned out pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this and use this as well. The next thing we have is a pure flaxseed gel softened hair organic argan oil lemon cream fragrance step 4 curl mix. It looks like this. Now, I've never gotten anything from this line before, so oh, it smells really good. It smells like there's lemongrass in here, like they may have put this in. I'm kind of surprised that they gave us step 4. I would have wanted 1, 2, and 3 too. Like, I wouldn't want just step 4 because, like, okay, it's a 5, 2. I would have wanted, like, every step, you know, but they gave us a step 4, which is so random. The next thing we have here is the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil and Moroccan Plex Breakage Defense Bond Mender Pre-Treatment. Give me that. So I'm taking this as like, this is step 1. So that's good they gave us the first step. I'm taking this as a 3-system restores weak and brittle bonds to strengthen hair against breakage and damage. Apply a generous amount to dry and wet hair and thoroughly saturate. Leave on for 10 minutes and rinse off. Okay, so you put this on your hair, I guess like a deep conditioner treatment type of thing, and then you wash it off after 10 minutes. This is how it looks. I'm definitely going to try it. It looks like a really, really thick product. It does have that Cream of Nature smell, which I don't like. It's just extremely strong and just potent. Like, it's just, I don't like it. But I am going to try this so you all can see how it works. I've never gotten this before. The last thing we have is a Lord Satin Sleeping Cap. It looks like this, which you can never have too many of these because they get old, they stretch out. So, you know, it's good to have another one. So those are all the things in the box. And I mean, it was a cool box because I haven't gotten any of some of these products before. But for the most part, I don't want to keep subscribing to them because sometimes I think they just throw products in the box, as I told you before. And if you're going to feature some, like in this CurlKit thing right here, it features Curl Mix. So I would think you would give us all the products for Curl Mix because that's what you're talking about. But you give us step 4 and it's like random. Like, why can't I get 1, 2, 3, and 5? Like, I don't know. That's just me. I just don't think that it's worth the $25 because it's just a whole bunch of random products. And I don't agree. But it's okay. I got it. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to use the products. I'm going to try them out. If I don't like them, I know somebody would want me to send them to them or put them in a giveaway so they can try to win them. So that's okay too. But that is my CurlKit unboxing for 2020 for February. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musics44. Until next time, all my key bees and key dogs out there. Peace.